Today's training is being provided for Centerplate Incorporated. This is being presented by Incentric Solutions. Lotus iNotes is the web-based mail and calendaring system that will be rolled out to all email users. Today's agenda will look at the new features you will soon see in your webmail, the new colors, the ability to customize your home page, and the several ways you can access your company email. IBM Lotus provides two clients for you to access your iNotes mail. The full client provides maximum capabilities, including a sidebar which provides the day's events, additional widgets, and drag and drop capabilities. The Lite client provides basic mail and calendar functions. We will then look at navigating through iNotes, using and customizing the mailbox and calendar, working with tasks in the to-do lists, working with your online contact list, and most important, changing your password. Let's get started. You will see a number of new features in iNotes 8.5. The iNotes web client now has drag and drop capability, and the sidebar has a mini calendar view. When you first access iNotes at the home page, you will see 5 buttons at the top right of the banner. Here you can select whether to use the full or Lite client, access your user account preferences, log out from the client, and find context-sensitive help. Here you can also personalize your home page to display quick links to view items you want to review first, such as your inbox, your daily events, and a web page. The navigation bar on the left displays icons for different views you can access with the client. This is the full client, so I have access to mail, my calendar, my contact list, to-dos, and my notebook. If you switch to the Lite client, iNotes opens in your mail inbox. Although you still have your day at a glance view in the right sidebar, there are only 3 view options available: the mail, calendar, and contacts. This client takes fewer computer resources and can be run on older PCs or where network access is restricted. Most of you will be using the full client, which has all the features available now and for the future. The full client adds task capabilities and a personal journal notebook. Let's start by looking at Lotus iNotes Mail. The inbox displays 4 panes. The left pane in light blue is the navigator pane. It provides a list of views, folders, and tools you can use while you are working with mail. The action bar provides a list of actions you can perform while you are in the inbox view. Just below the action bar is the view list. In this example, it lists all of the documents or emails in your inbox. The scroll bar at the right side of the pane allows you to scroll within the list. The preview pane below the view list is below the view list and previews the currently selected document. The show button allows you to show or hide the preview pane in the sidebar. You can also list all of your mail documents by conversation thread. Your mailbox views can be sorted by sender, subject, date, or size. Red mail is displayed in the list in black, while your unread documents are in red. The Show button also enables you to view only your unread documents. The action bar on the inbox allows you to manage mail in your inbox. You can create and move documents to folders, set follow-up flags and prioritize them, and create rules to automatically manage your mail. You can move an email to a folder by selecting the email document, as you see highlighted in blue, and clicking on the folder icon and choosing an action, whether to move it to a folder, copy it to a folder, or remove it from the folder. In iNotes 8.5, you're now able to drag and drop the mail into a folder. Using the priority flags can set ticklers to actions. Select the email and click on the flag icon. In the full client, you can receive a reminder alarm before the due date and time. By selecting your iNotes client preferences, the button at the top right, you can customize your client to meet your needs. The general page gives you a chance to set your defaults, such as your default email editor, whether to save your sent mail, spell checking, and receiving how often you check for new mail. Attention indicators can be displayed in the inbox view. Your status level as a recipient can be an indication of the document's importance or your need to address the issue. This is for internal mail within the company. To set up the status indicators for a group or for your internet address for external senders, you need to add the external senders in the list here that's displayed. Your mail signature can be set using a rich text or a plain text signature. The corporate disclaimer is set on the mail server and will also be appended to all outgoing mails. Mail delivery options are set per email, and mail priority is set in the windows as well. Everyone needs an out-of-office function. It's found on the action bar under More. When you select the out-of-office function, the tabs allow you to set a general out-of-office notification, an alternate notification for special users or groups, and an exclusion list which will accept incoming mail but not reply. A sender will receive only one message per day, so an internal mailing will not result in multiple replies. When you connect back in, if you haven't turned your message off, or if you're like me and check mail while you're on vacation, you'll be prompted about the out-of-office status. It will also give you a list of the senders who have sent you mail while you were out of the office.